last couple of videos, I went over how to open a broker account, and I did an example of writing a call and selling a cash covered put. A lot of people fear the markets, and with good reason. It's not something you just want to jump into and start experimenting. I have chosen 7 books that I've read in the past, and I think they will be a great benefit to anyone who plans on starting to invest. Let's look at each book. As it has been a while since I read these books, they are in no particular order. The first book I would recommend is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book will teach you that the price and the value of a stock or business are 2 entirely different concepts. It'll also teach you that you cannot predict the future, and to be successful, you must be psychologically prepared. The next book is One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Lynch has been around the block a few times. Sometimes, as a new investor, you feel you have no chance at creating wealth through the markets. Lynch, through his book, shows you how an individual person can beat the so-called pros of investing. The next 2 books are by Phil Town, Rule Number 1 and Payback Time. Phil is one of my favorite authors. Though some of the strategies in Rule Number 1 seems harder and harder to come by nowadays, learning the 4 M's, meaning, management, moat, and margin of safety, are invaluable. In Payback Time, Phil teaches you about stockpiling and how to get rich even in bad markets. The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Greenblatt teaches you about value investing. He helps you to see how to view the markets, why most people fail, and teaches you about the metrics for quality and low price stocks. The next book is Unshakable by Tony Robbins. In Unshakable, Tony teaches about the simple ways of investing. This is a great book. He helps to show the way to financial freedom and teaches about index funds, compound interest, and diversification. I highly recommend this book. The last book I recommend is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Collins will help you to get your personal finances in order and will teach you how to make your money work for you. You will learn how to understand money, avoid certain types of investments, and that debt is not normal. These are just a few of the many great books out there on investing. Many of these authors have multiple books that are beneficial in learning to create wealth. The most important thing is to just start. Once you start reading and gaining knowledge, you will crave more, and naturally, you'll find more books to read. In the next video, I'll move on to the next section of the Chatman's Blueprint of Wealth in the infinite banking concept.